Welcome to the next part of the video. Question number 205. Rokitansky Kushner Hauser syndrome is associated with the vaginal atresia. Question number 206. The patient of 47XXY cryotype present with the feature of hypogonadism is likely to diagnose is Klinefelter syndrome. 207. A woman present in amenorrhea of 6-week duration lump in the right iliac fossa. Investigation of choice is USG. Question number 208. Woman present in amenorrhea of 2 months during low abdominal pain. Facial pallor, panting, and shock. Diagnosis is rupture ectopic pregnancy. Question number 209. A young woman is the 6th week of amenorrhea present with the mass abdomen. USG show empty uterus. Diagnosis is ectopic pregnancy. Basanti is 28-year-old age female with the history of 6 weeks of amenorrhea present in the abdomen. USG show fluid a pouch of Douglas. Aspiration yield dark color blood that fails to clot. Most probable diagnosis is rupture of ectopic pregnancy. Then question number 211. Patient complain the post-coital bleeding, no growth seen on per speculum examination. Step should be colonoscopy biopsy. 50-year-old woman present in the post-coital bleeding, visible growth of cervix is detected on per scapulum examination is punch biopsy. Question number 213. In case of carcinoma, cervix found is alterated sensorum having high cuff. That likely cause is uremia. Then 214. The bilateral ovarian cancer with the capsule breached acids positive for malignant cells. The stage is stage second. The true statement regarding the adenomyosis is present with menorrhagia, dysmenorrhea, and enlarged uterus. The primary peritonitis is more common in female because ostia of fallopian tube communicate with the abdominal cavity. False statement regarding HCG is it is secreted by the cytotropic blast. Question number 218. Snowstorm appearance on hydratic foam mole. And 219. All of the following indication for termination of pregnancy in APH patient except transverse lie. 220. A lady of 37-week pregnancy present in with bleeding per vagina. Investigation so in degree of placenta previa treatment is immediate CS. 221. The pregnant woman present with the red degeneration of fibroid management is conservative. The ovarian cyst is detected in a permanent woman management is removable by the laparotomy in second trimester. Most useful investigation is the first trimester is identify a risk of fetal malformation in a fetus of diabetic mother is glycosylate glycosylate HB. The next question is condition associated with the lack of single pelvic ella is neglict pelvic. DNA analysis of chronic villus aniscentis is most likely to detect such disease. Question number two, to woman has had two previous anencephalic baby, risk having third one is 10%. Next question, MTP done up to how many weeks? 14th. The cervical fibroid is commonly present in retention of urine. Tuberculosis of genital organ more frequently seen in fallopian tube. Which part of the fallopian tube is the most common type site of ectopic pregnancy is ampulla. Which of the following are responsible to proliferate the phase of menstrual cycle? Estrogen only. The low backache and pain lower abdomen patient is dysmenorrhea are present in reproductive organ. Blood stain discharge from the nipple is typical of intraductal papilloma. Where are the intramural fibroid present? With the wall of uterus. The menopausal hot flush are due to decreased estrogen.